Hello everyone!
Don't sleep.
How to draw the mouth and ears of characters in Chibi version. If you are drawing something like the one on the left, simple strokes. Then we can try by changing the strength of your pen to change the thickness of the lines. Make the middle part of the mouth shallower. The parts on the left and right sides are deeper. You can practice more on the notebook. Learn how to draw mouths with different expressions. Cue version of the character's nose and mouth. His sense of presence is not as strong as eyes. Well, the character's ears are simpler. Just 3 small arcs. Then let's add some decorations. Such as earrings and studs. Of course, we can also not draw human ears. Draw some animal ears. Ears make it more present. Just make it a little bigger. Big head, big ears, big eyes. The nose and mouth can be slightly smaller. This makes the character even cuter. Remember to hand in your homework, babes. Like and comment, don't forget to.